Makeup tutorial, makeup tutorial.
I came up with. I'm really pleased with it. Just a little review on this palette. Some of the shades I kind of had to dig in a little bit. It's really buildable, so I really like this palette. I'm really happy that I got it. It was only 18 bucks, so yeah, I've been looking for a really good rainbow palette and I think I found it. So thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you like what you see, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye. Just a little disclaimer. I don't know if you could tell, but like my eyeshadow is kind of wet right now, and that's just because my eyes are super sensitive because I haven't been doing makeup lately. So yeah, if you see that, or if you see like the inner corner like nothing on there, it's because my eyes are watering and the makeup is coming off. So yeah, I'm sorry. Okay, bye.